Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video, guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SamFX YouTube channel, and this is the Pixel extended version 4.0 on Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, it's an Android 12 build ROM. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, guys, and I will be motivated to make similar kind of videos. This is the Android 12 logo you will get, and it will comes with 5th December 2021 security patch, and kernel used here is 4.14.255 Ryzen kernel has been used, and this is the latest build actually. And let's see, I have been running the CPU throttling test for last 5 minutes. You can check out here. The maximum is 153 and average is 149 and minimum 130, and CPU throttle to 95% of its maximum performance. Very good performance. Let me show you the Geekbench scores also in this ROM. As you can see, the single score is 489 and the multi score is 1370 with the kernel used here is Ryzen 4.14255, and this Android 12 build ROM for Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's see, this is the app drawer and icons, and this is the home screen you get. Into the widgets, let's see first, and add the clock widgets. If you want, you can use any widgets. The app 4 are pre-installed. I will be using this one. This looks like this. If you want to edit, you need to edit further also, just tapping on that. And into the dialer, let's see whether we get video call direct. Let me enable the sound actually. Okay, this is how the volume panel also will get, and there is a direct video call feature available in this ROM, which is not a problem. Let's dial it out, and there is no call recording, and these quick settings panel are working fine. This mic access and camera access will be shown here. This is how the quick settings panel. There is a power button. Underneath that you will get emergency lockdown, power off and restart. This house, no house, you can go here into the customization. Status bar icons, you get 4G icon, you can enable or disable from here. Combined signal icons, VoLTE icon, select VoLTE icon, Vivo Wi-Fi icon, style also you can choose. There are plenty of options available. Tap to sleep, double tap anywhere on the status bar to sleep is available. Clock options are given here, you can adjust from here. Battery style, only 4 are given, you can choose among them. I selected circle. And battery estimation and vibration on touch and quick settings, pull down and brightness control, and show brightness slider and QoS panel, adaptive brightness button, and show brightness slider on the button. Into the lock screen settings, you get double tap to sleep on lock screen, show media art. You can adjust the blur level, it's 25 dp currently, and lock screen charging info you can enable or disable. Into the system settings, you get navigation bar, gesture settings. Here you get left edge, right edge sensitivity you can adjust, and haptic feedback you can enable or disable from here. And full screen gestures can be enabled here. When you enable that, the navigation pill will be disappear. Do comment down below which type of navigation you like the most, or the 3 navigation button traditional one, or this bar with big size and the radius, or hiding that. Do comment down in the comment section below. I want to know how you guys use that. That's what I want to know. And into that again, let's go here and snow settings, into like lock screen. Those are the same things I explained. And into the system settings, you get vibrate on, connect on, call waiting on, disconnect you can enable or disable. Annoying notifications also you can enable from here. Wake up, unplug, and advanced restart button is available in this ROM. And toggle torch when screen off, and volume rocker, wave playback control, and fingerprint success vibration and error vibration, those are already enabled. These are the customization you get in this Pixel extended 4.0 on Redmi Note 7 Pro. And if you come back and let's see whether those are there or not. Advanced restart button, as you can see, there is advanced restart button. If you restart here, you can directly go into recovery and bootloader and system, that's there. And this is how the home screen, and you will get app suggestions. If you want, you can keep. I pressed no icons. And wallpapers and styles, you get plenty of wallpapers. Android 12 type wallpapers are pre-installed here, you can check out. If you want, you can use even the themed icons also, as you can see. And dark theme is given. App grid you can choose from 2 to 2, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Dark theme is available. Themed icons is still in beta, and basic colors also you can choose based upon wallpaper. Okay guys, into the settings, let me disable the dark theme first. Into the display settings, this is how the settings you will get. Brightness level, adaptive brightness is working fine. Lock screen settings, screen timeout you can set from here. Font size, display size, system width and night light features are also available. You can adjust the intensity and schedule it out. Screen saver, tap to wake, prevention, accidental wake up, and ambient display is also given in this ROM. Hand wave, pocket mode, those are included. And into network settings, connector settings and apps, here are the system apps. You can see here default apps. The home app is Pixel Launcher, as a home launcher has been given in this ROM. You can adjust the apps and those settings, game settings also. Into the snow house, I already explained that. And in the battery life, I really liked the battery life in this ROM. It hasn't recorded, but what I learned is in this ROM, if you normal user, like if you don't play games or anything like that, then this will going to be a very good battery life ROM for Redmi Note 7. This could be the best. Even do check out after few days only, it will come to know. As of now I can say it's a very good battery life. And into like sound and vibration, you get all the basic settings here. You can enable or disable those settings from here. Even the vibration feedback is there. Yeah, it's there here. As you can see, vibration and haptics you can enable or disable for various reasons. And into the Mi sound enhancer, direct sound settings are also given. You can choose the headphone type from here and also a preset. Those things are included in this ROM, which is very good in my opinion. And coming to like wallpaper style, I explained. And accessibility menu is Android 12 style, it's available. This is my favorite thing. As you can see, you want to use the volume and brightness without scrolling or without using the volume buttons. You can adjust them. Even you can take to screenshot and go to recent menu, and also you can power off, power on, and take a screenshot, and you can check out the notification also, which is cool thing. You can definitely try it out. It's a handy feature. And if I come back, there are plenty of Android 12 style customizations are available. For example, switch axis in the accessibility menu, and audio adjustment is there. You can check out from here. And in the security settings, you just get a fingerprint unlock, no face unlock or anything like that. Let me show you the speeds. As you can see guys, it's very fast. As you can see, just tap unlock, and there is no face unlock as of now. And this is how the experience with this ROM. And I can say this is going to be a very good ROM for daily drive. Those who are not in the gaming or like that, then this could be one of the best ROM for you. And do comment down below how is the performance if you are already using this ROM. And into this DRM info, you will get level 1 certification in this ROM, such that you can watch all the OTT applications in HD content, which is not a problem. And you will get this kind of Google Go camera. Basic things going to be work fine here. And if you want, you can use any Gcam ports, and even you can sideload the NX camera also, and you can root the smartphone and install some of the models also. That's also possible with this ROM. And Google Photos Unlimited is, you can make it out even that also with Magix model. That's all guys. And payment applications, everything going to be fine here. Let me show you the safety net status first. As you can see, it get passed. You can use any payment application, WhatsApp, everything is going to be working fine. And in the speed test and dialer, echo, like that, no problem. Even carrier aggregation is also present in this ROM. Everything is working fine. And that's all guys in this video. I hope I have explained everything in this ROM. And this is Sampath, you're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel. And if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like guys. And that's all guys in this video. This is the Pixel Extended 4.0 on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.